Way to go. Abateka jumps quick. Virtual Angel not the outside. Showing speed now is Canadian Girl. Passing the winning post. It's now Virtual Angel followed by Canadian Girl. Running by the wheel third is Abateka. Then followed by Final Judgment. And going along for the first turn. It is still entry number 3, Virtual Angel, leads by some 2.5 lengths now, followed by Canadian Girl. 2 lengths back, Final Judgment, running by the wheel is Abateka. Leon Face next on line, and followed by Admiral Contender and Hurricane Ali. Into the back they travel. It is still Virtual Angel, leads by some 3 lengths, followed by Canadian Girl. Abateka coming close now in third. Final Judgment. Moving up, Leon Pace, Admiral Contender. Here comes Hurricane Alaya. Inside the last 600, it is still Virtual Angel, Canadian Girl, Abateka, and Hurricane Ali. Not the outside as they swing for home. It's now Hurricane Ali for the outside, followed by entry number 4, Canadian Girl. Abateka is moving up by the Admiral Contender on the outside. Hurricane Ali, Abateka, Admiral Contender moves up on the outside. 3 runners in a battle royal at the wire. It's going to be a close finish. Hurricane Ali, Abateka, and Admiral Contender.
Pagtatapos ng ating race number 1.